Today in this video I will show you how I increase the drill press height. As you can see, the drill press height is very less and it cannot cut higher metal piece or wood piece. Therefore, I will increase the height of the drill press by increasing the height of the shocker tube. This drill press is made with a motorcycle front shocker. As shocker can move up and down more easily, it is very convenient to use for the drill press. If you want to know more on how this drill press is made, then the link is given in description below.